National ID verification just got easier. Gone are the days of manual verification. Now you can quickly and securely authenticate any national ID by simply scanning its QR code. Building on the foundation laid by Phil's check, which has been useful for many banks, government agencies, and other institutions. We are thrilled to introduce the next level of ID verification, the new National ID Check. The National ID Check is developed by the Department of Information and Communications Technology in partnership with the Philippine Statistics Authority. To access this platform, just log on at everify.gov.ph/check. Click on the National ID Check and just scan the QR code of a national ID, whether it be a PVC card, printed on paper, or digital ID. This process allows you to establish the authenticity of a national ID by verifying the digital signature embedded in the QR code of the national ID. An authentic national ID card paper form and digital national ID QR code of the card will provide a message that says the national ID has been verified. This will show the registered person's national ID card number, last name, first name, middle name, suffix, sex, date and place of birth, date of issuance, and best capture finger. The paper form for the result will show the front-facing photograph of the citizen as an additional security feature. If the ID is fake, damaged, or the QR code has been tampered with, a pop-up message will appear on the screen saying that the QR code could not be read. The National ID Check platform isn't just an upgrade. It's a whole new level of secure and convenient verification, significantly advancing the digitalization of processes across various sectors by promoting efficiency and transparency in transactions.